Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on Smartlead AI, the ultimate tool for scaling your cold email outreach, okay? If you're looking to generate more leads and close more deals without your email ending up in the spam folder, Smartlead is going to help you with this, okay? It offers features such as unlimited mailboxes, automated warm maps, and AI-driven personalization to ensure that your emails land in the primary inbox of your prospects. Now to get started, let's visit smartlead.ai. And let's click on get started for free on start your 14-day free trial, which you can get with no credit card whatsoever. Now, it is very important that in order to create an account, you need a company email. You're not going to be able to do this with a Google account. So make sure that you actually have a domain, okay, for your company and that you have an email associated with it, okay? But yeah, in any case, you can start your 14-day trial and this is going to look like your dashboard here. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to connect your emails accounts, okay? Inside of your company domain, you might have different company emails that you might want to use when you're doing a cold email outreach campaign. So yeah, and for that, you need to go to email accounts. And now you can either drag and drop a CSV file that contains the names of your email accounts here. But most often, you just want to do this one-click setup using every single email account that you have or every single Gmail account that you have, okay? So just click here. And now this is actually very, very important. You have to go to your admin panel and you have to look for this client ID and you have to copy paste it here. Okay, and after that, you're gonna be able to connect your Google account, okay, which is great. And you can do this with every single account that you wanna use, okay, for your email sending, for your cold outreach email. Now, with your mailbox is ready, it's time to create your first campaign. Just click on email campaign here and let's click on create campaign. Now here you want to upload your CSV file, which is an Excel file that is basically going to contain all of your leads and the contacts that you want to outreach in this, campaign here, which is what I'm going to do. So yeah, so now Smartlead is basically going to scrap all of the contacts and you have to, check these import settings in here. I like keeping them to default, but yeah, you can actually play around with these settings, especially with the last one. Ignore the leads that exist in our campaign, okay? And now, Smartlead is gonna scrap your contacts from this file, and here you have to map your columns from the Excel file, from the CSV file, to the properties in Smartlead, okay? So for example, this column here that I have corresponds to the first name, so I'm just gonna write this. Username, I'm just gonna keep it, empty, and the rest I don't actually need, I believe. So yeah, I'm just gonna click on save and next. Let's click on OK. Now he's importing the CSV file. Okay, cool. And we have 2 leads, okay, from this file in total, okay? Obviously you're gonna have many, many more. Now we have to craft actually the email sequence that we wanna have, okay? So what's cool about this is that you can craft, for example, your first email, but you can also craft a follow-up and another follow-up and so on if you click on add step here, okay? So yeah, let's actually start with the first email, okay, that we are gonna send to our prospects. So let's say, for example, A, and we're gonna put this name, okay, which is the first name of our prospect, which is an attribute that we actually recover from the CSV. And now we can start crafting our email, or we can compose it with AI. You can insert image, you can do whatever you want pretty much, okay? So let's just say, hi, first name. You can say something like, this is just a test sequence, okay? And now, let's say that you want to add a follow-up. We're going to click on add step, and you want to click on email. And here you have to select the number of days that you want to wait before you send the follow-up, okay? In my case, let's just say that I want to wait 3 days. And here you can do exactly the same, okay? You can write the follow-up email. If you leave this subject line empty, what's going to happen is that this is going to be sent as a reply to your first email, okay? Which might be convenient for you. And if you write something else, then it's going to be sent as a new email. But yeah, just type something here, and that's pretty much it. And you can add as many follow-ups as you actually want. So yeah, now we're going to click on next. But before that, keep in mind that you can always preview this. So yeah, let's go to save and next. And now you have to choose your sender accounts, which is related to what we did before with the mailboxes, okay? You're gonna have a bunch of different email accounts that you are connected to in your company domain, and you can select them all. And these are gonna be the ones that are gonna send the messages to your prospects. You can also schedule the campaign here to select, for example, what days and what hours you wanna send these emails. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, so on, from these hours. And you can also set what day your campaign is going to start. Great. And you can modify the general settings here. You can give it a name, for example. You can stop sending messages when your lead actually replies to a message or clicks on a link or opens an emails. So yeah, once you're ready, just click on Save Next, go to Final Review, and just, finalize it and publish your campaign, okay? Now, once your campaign is running, all responses are gonna come into your master inbox. And from here, you're gonna be able to have all of your leads in one place. And you're gonna be able to actually track conversations, categorize leads. Something that I forgot to mention actually, guys, is that you can also do, for example, A/B split testing when you're sending emails. When you are creating a new campaign in the sequence section, when you're selecting your emails, you can just go to add variant here, and you can actually select, different emails. You can select an A variant and a B variant, and you can actually configure this A/B split to a manual distribution or to a percentage distribution, okay, which is great. I actually recommend that you use this a lot because sometimes you have different openers or different cold emails that you want to use and you don't know which one is going to work best. This is going to allow you to test precisely that, okay? You can also use the global analytics section to track your campaign's performance, analyze response rate, and make data-driven decisions based on your performance with the different campaigns, okay? You can filter by client or by campaign here, okay? So that's pretty much it for Smartlead, guys. I hope that you guys can use it, and always remember that you can try for 14 days completely for free, and if you don't like it, you can always go back, okay? Thank you so much.